Hello all and welcome to this hands-on lab. In our lab today, we will learn how to work with Amazon Bedrock watermark detection. So let's get started. I have mentioned a reference URL over here. This particular URL has additional information on this particular topic. Also, I have created a playlist for Amazon Bedrock on my channel. This is the URL for the playlist. And as I create additional videos on Amazon Bedrock, I will have them added to this playlist. Both the reference URL and the link to the playlist will be mentioned in the description of this video. Scenario for our lab today. We have to identify if an image has been created using an AI model like Amazon Titan Image Generator. So in today's world, all of us, let's say create a lot of images, take a lot of pictures, generate a lot of content. But some pictures are original pictures, let's say pictures that you've taken with your cell phone or your camera, because something like that existed and you took a picture of that. But in today's world, it is possible for you to create or generate an image using an AI model. So is there any difference between a picture that was taken by you, using your cell phone or your camera, which is actually something that exists in real life, versus something that was created or developed by an AI model? The answer to that question is yes. So every time an AI model creates a picture or generates an image, then behind the scenes, it leaves a watermark. And you can actually use that particular watermark to detect whether this is a real picture or a real image, or is this image being generated by an AI model. So let's see how is that possible. So we will basically use Amazon Bedrock for this. We'll go to watermark detection and then we will choose an image and then click analyze. It is very, very simple. Now, by the way, right now, Amazon Bedrock only supports this for Amazon Titan Image Generator. But is this possible for other AI models? Let's say that you can use for image generation. The answer to that question is yes. But right now, as far as AWS is concerned and Amazon Bedrock is concerned, it only supports for this particular model. So let me quickly switch to Bedrock. So this is Bedrock. And if you come here under safeguards, you can see watermark detection, right? So if you click on this, that's when this thing shows up. Now, what I have, and let me see if I can go. So I have a couple of images right here. So if you see over here, I have model on a catwalk, wearing a t-shirt and a jeans. It's a pretty simple, straightforward image, nothing fancy, right? I have an image over here for Simba, Lion King. This is me and my mother. I also have an image of a panda eating carrots. Now, let us select one particular image. Okay, so let's see if I can go there. And what is this particular folder? And let me go here. Okay, so let me select, let's say, Simba's image. Hopefully it's not too big. We will see what happens and click on Analyze. And let's see what it has to say. So it basically analyzed the image behind the scenes and it is telling me that it has not detected any watermark and Bedrock did not detect any watermark generated by Titan image generator model on this image. So this image was not created by Amazon Titan image generator model. Remember, it is possible to do this for other models as well, but it is definitely not created by this model. And that is correct. This image has been downloaded from the web and it was not created by this particular model. Similarly, let's see if I choose this model, on a catwalk wearing jeans and a t-shirt, and I will click analyze. Now it is saying that the watermark has been detected and the confidence level is high, and basically it is possible, or Bedrock has detected a watermark generated by this particular model. So there is a very high possibility that this image, this very simple looking image, right, was generated by Amazon Bedrock's, or basically Amazon title image generator model. And that is actually correct because this image was actually generated using uh, Amazon's Titan image generator model. Now let me choose another image. I'm going to say this image. This is the image of me and my mother, and I'll click on analyze. Again, watermark was not detected. That is correct. This is an actual image. It is a picture that was taken using my cell phone. And similarly, let's see if I can choose another image like panda eating carrots, right? So we have this particular image right here. We have a panda eating carrots. Very simple, nothing crazy. And if I click on analyze, it's still analyzing. Again, it has detected a watermark and the confidence level is high that this image was created using Amazon Bedrock and especially using the Amazon Titan image generator model. So this is how you can basically figure out if an image was generated using an AI model or if an image is a real image, something that you have either downloaded from the web. Again, something downloaded from the web could also have been created by another AI model, and there are ways to detect that as well. Now, this is just a simple utility that Bedrock provides you out of the box for Amazon Titan models, right? But yeah, there could be other utilities, or you can yourself build a utility as well to kind of detect if an image was created by an AI model or if it is a real image. So do check this feature out. It's a pretty handy feature. And in the world that we live, something as innocent as a picture like this, or something, very simple like this, you may feel that it's a real image, right? But actually, it's not a real image. It's an AI generated uh, image that was shared or given to you. So if you ever want to figure that out, there are ways to certainly do that. So do explore this feature. Uh, it's pretty handy. It's pretty neat. And yeah, that's pretty much it from me today. And I will see you later in some other video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.